Welcome. This is my 2002 Volkswagen Jetta TDI. Hasn't been started in a couple of days. I've been keeping the battery on a trickle charge until a couple of days ago. Yeah, so we're gonna start it up, pop the hood, have a look under the hood while it idles. It's got old fuel in it, far too old fuel in it. So I don't know what's going to come out the tailpipe. It shouldn't smoke though. Anyway, we'll see how she does. Let's get her fired up. Let's see if the glow plugs are still any good. Not bad. Could be better. Alright, let's go have a look at the motor, see how she looks. See if there's anything coming out of the tailpipe. Are ya? No smoke. I'll let it idle for a little bit, then we'll kick it and see what it does. Let's go have a look at the motor. Check the oil when you guys weren't looking. She's idling nice enough. Love to get some fresh fuel in it. Put some lights on, see what they do. Alright, start with the back. Got one bulb working. Got the other bulb working. Looks like the license plates are working. Let's go check the front. Marker light. Let's have a look at the interior. There we go. It is a cold day today. It's about 0. 0 feels like 0. That's not smoke, that's condensation. Got the ABS light on, so one of the ABS sensors is obviously on. It's starting to fail. Alright, let's have a look at the interior. It's complete, except for the buttons on the radio. The radio doesn't work. Air conditioning doesn't work. Never bothered to figure out why the air conditioning or the radio doesn't work, because I don't care about either of those. It still has this. God, I miss this car. Instead of buying it, if somebody wants you to just forward me some money so I can fix it up, that would be fantastic. But you'd have to be awful generous to do that. Oh, headliner's falling down. It wasn't like this when I parked it. Pull a Rain Man Ray and see what's up there. Gross. Is that wet? Touch that and find out. Alright. Let's touch it real quick. it's wet. Alright, so it looks like the windshield might need a seal. Is it, or is it just cold? No, it's wet. It's obvious. Cool. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not even looking at it, man. It's a little bit wet along here. Yeah, it's not happy. Hasn't been on the road since 2019. It's still idling nicely. She runs like a dream. Somebody please take her, put her back on the road. She deserves to live. Oh, there goes my license plate. Let's see. Okay, one more thing. I heard a click. Let me do that again. That's the trunk. It's a bit stiff, but it works. There's the pan for underneath. It's brand new. I never installed it. It didn't come with it when I bought it. It was a fresh one of those in case it's needed. I don't know why that's in there. Don't worry, it doesn't need one. The one that's in it is fine. I think this one might be just a higher capacity. No, it's the 3-liter one. Never mind. It's not the higher capacity one. Oh yeah, gotta open up the fuel thing there. You can see it's closed. Not open. Let's see if she opens. Yeah, my videography sucks. I'm an amateur, what can I say? Alright, open. Any spideys in there? There's a tire pressure. Yeah, weird place to put it. That's where they put it. Alright, one more thing. Let's try flashers and turn signals. Oh, I love the smell of diesel in the morning. Alright, start with the back. We got flashers. Flashers into the side. The side one's not working. The passenger side. Not working either. It doesn't work when I parked it. Alright, let's do the standalone turn signals and see what happens. Go left. Yeah, it's telling us that something's ajar. Not because the door's ajar, even though I argue every time it's still a door. Let's squeeze around the tree this time. So the side ones aren't working. The front ones seem to be. Let's do, get that. Right. see she's still running. It's cleared up quite a bit. I mean, who knows, maybe if we're sitting so long, maybe there's some oil in it. There shouldn't be. Something, let's give another kick with our hand. She's a good strong one, I'm telling you. Put a KermaTDI in it. Upgraded the turbo, the injectors. Here, let's go have kind of a look. Not gonna be able to see much, but lower the oil catch can. So there's a brand new turbo in it. Back there somewhere. Underneath everything. Let's see sort of the braided oil line. The thing with focus. There she goes. There's the braided oil line. It's the one in between. The little, almost shiny looking one in between. It's got rusty, holy shit. Brand new injectors in it. Upgraded. That's not stock. That's not stock. Although the airbox is stock. Now, according to the kit, it's the 165 bhp kit. I'm willing to bet that this is closer to 200. It's definitely over 200 foot. Alright, powering down now. Somebody please come take her away. Not letting her go for nothing, but come take her away, put her back on the road. Please do something for this girl. She deserves it. Alright. Thanks for watching.